Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. In this guide, we'll show you how to compress PDF documents using the Tenorshare PDNob in just a few clicks. Tenorshare PDNob is a smarter, faster, and easy-to-use PDF editor that works on both Windows and Mac. Use the link in the video description below to visit the website where you can download and install this AI-powered tool. Tenorshare PDNob is an all-in-one PDF solution designed for editing, annotating, converting, and performing OCR, making it perfect for all your document needs. One standout feature is its PDF compression tool, which allows you to significantly reduce file sizes while maintaining document quality. With flexible compression levels, it's ideal for work, study, or quick file sharing. Now let's see how easy it is to compress PDF files using the PDNob PDF editor. After downloading and installing the software, launch it from your desktop. You will arrive at this interface. First, click on Open PDF and use Windows File Explorer to locate and select the PDF file you want to compress. The PDF file will open in the viewer. At the top of the interface, you'll see various controls and settings to work with your PDF document. In this tutorial, we won't go through all these tools. Instead, we'll locate and click on Compress PDF. A new window will appear, displaying details about the current document, such as its file name and size. For instance, this PDF document is currently 100 megabytes. If you want, you can add more files to the compression list by clicking the Add Files button at the top. However, in this example, we'll work on just this file. Next, move down to the compression level options. You can choose between three options: high quality, middle quality, and low quality compression. High quality retains more of the document's original quality, with only a slight reduction in file size. Middle quality balances quality and file size, while low quality prioritizes maximum file size reduction, with some acceptable loss in quality. After selecting the desired compression level, choose the output folder. You can either save the compressed file in the same directory as the original, or use a custom directory to specify a different location on your computer. Once you've made your choice, click Compress. The compression process will begin, and you can monitor its progress. When the compression is complete, a green check mark will indicate success. In this example, the file size was reduced by almost 40%, from 100 megabytes to around 60 megabytes. To demonstrate further, I'll choose the low-quality compression option and show you the results. The original file is reduced even further to 54 megabytes. Now, let's navigate to the directory where I saved the files and open them. Here is the original PDF document, and here on the right is the lowest compressed version, which is nearly half the size of the original. As you can see, there is virtually no noticeable difference in quality between the two files. And that's how you use Tenorshare PDNob PDF editor to compress large PDF files into smaller sizes, making them easier to share or store. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more official tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing our software, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.